mountain air lives a creature exceedingly rare, a rabbit along the slopes of a live volcano in the heart of Mexico. We haven't lost all hopes for its survival, but see little chance of a revival. The volcano rabbit is small, of ear and tail. It makes a barking call whenever it must quail at the scent of weasels, red-tailed hawks, or eagles. Hunted by day and night, they creep out at twilight, after the coyotes prowl and before the horned owl. Their greatest peril comes from farmhands, leaving their cats go feral and destroying the land by burning the special grass, zacaton, the rabbit's feed. And their habitat, where with desperate speed they outrun those feral cats. For this one lagomorph does not burrow, but tunnels through the zacaton, making it furrow, then disappears in that grass as its predators run past. Mama even nests her kits in her own fur, so precious is the grass to her that she instinctively rations it. But no matter how fast these tiny rabbits run, they may not outlast what the farmers have done. They clear the land for crops, setting fire that never stops at the rabbits' reservation, assigned for their preservation. Instead, they die by incineration or smoke inhalation. Will we let the last die out, without a cry, without a shout, without voicing our rejection, without any moral objection, that helpless bunnies in the shadow of a live volcano should be less endangered by this space than the doings of the human race?